Now, these questions from task 5 need to be handed in order to be assessed. In each instance, using a ruler and a coin, I've got a 20-cent coin ready here for part B. I'll quickly work through how you can do it. The key thing is to look at the first term given. That will form your base. The exception for the height business comes with the pyramid. So I'll work through each of these in turn, but please only use this as a backup. And just working through 3 of those, the rectangular prism, the cylinder, and the rectangular base pyramid, we'll have a look to see what we can do. The key thing is to use the first phrase or term in order to work out the base. So I'm going to do here, I'm just going to draw a slightly angled rectangular base. I'm going to project that upwards. Now, one little trick I learned many years ago was to just slide from that angle up to the top. If you've got a pencil, maybe even better, just draw that and get the line to connect. Draw horizontally from there, and with my ruler I'll just slide along trying to get that rough angle there. Draw to there and draw down. So you can see what I've done. Just neaten up that little bit. Rectangular based prism. Now for a cylinder, really helps if you've got a coin or something spherical to work with. Rough old pyramid, cylinder. Just join that up, join to there. Now if you want, I can kind of shade the base there, and that gives you a rough idea of a cylinder in that instance. Shading the base, for some people I'm told, helps them see it 3-dimensionally. Now the rectangular base pyramid, what we do here, we start with that slightly inclined, some people call them oblique, base. Going to shade the base in a moment. Notice here how I'm using the rule to help project through. Now it has to meet up to a point. Just draw a point above it. You see here the triangular face is starting to appear. And so on. You might have noticed that I've gone over the sides that I probably would be able to see more clearly, unless it was glass, a bit more heavily. So you can see by lightening that back one may give to some people a 3-dimensional view of things. So drawing those bases obliquely, so it's roughly 45 degrees. Flatten it, and with the ruler sliding along, and then project upwards until you get to either a line or virtually on a line. It's a very neat way of being able to show a figure 3-dimensionally. The shading helps as well.